So today I will also do the recording, no problem. The live is going on at the same time also recording. Okay, we'll go through the any questions you want, you have to ask to me. You see the one application just now we built it through the ABAP cloud, this one. This is the output from the ABAP cloud programming. Hello?
Yes, sir.
We'll go through the other topics of ABAP dictionary. So go to that the videos what I shared. Okay, so otherwise you were asking right last session. So just go first initial classes through that videos. Okay, no? Then I will take the class.
Okay, okay.
And this is what we are talking now currently. This topic. Right. So tables we have done. Okay, data type, data element we have done. Okay, the concept point of view. I give also some scenarios to practice. So we'll go for the views concept. Views. Okay, what is the purpose of views? Views. View purpose.
So views are like structures which can be used in our program. Instead of declaring the field again and again, we can reuse the view which we have created in multiple programs.
Basically, view is a virtual table. It's a virtual table. Virtual table where we can join more than one table and the data will come in runtime into the view. Data will not be stored permanently into the view. Okay. So you can join like this. Suppose you can join Mora. Marcy.
ATM ରୁ ଆଣିଲି debit cash ଏବେ କୋଉଠି here there is no cash
So like this you can join.
କଣ କରିଦବ ମେଡିସିନ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଖାଇବା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ
And then you can display data in the runtime. This is a view. Okay. So the types of views are, these types are database view, projection view, maintenance view, help view. These are the different types of views. Now database views is replaced with by CDS views. We don't use in the projects data database views. Okay, we'll see one by one. Because to understand this concept, right? I'll go to quickly theory concept. This is the concept of views. Right? More than one table you are joining into as a one virtual table. Okay, the purpose is view you can use in the ABAP programs. You can see the data here. I mean, you can use that to get the data. This is 38 ABAP program. Data fetching purpose, you can use it here. Or you can use analysis if you want directly analysis. You can use SC16N also. Then user will access. This is the data ABAP program. This one. Okay. This is an important point. But not stored physically. Best form of delivering data is to mask out one or more fields from a database table, or to include only certain entries of a basic table in the view. Okay. Basically, performance is better with the views. So, okay. I'll create one database view. create database. Database view. Click on create database view. Okay. You can go to here, fields. Oh, sorry. Click on create database view. Database view. Join Mara and Marcy tables here. Yeah. Do the tables, which tables we want to join. Mara and Marcy. We can choose these relationships. We will give this how they have been related here. We choose here, right? This link will come automatically. Go here now, like this. Save it now. Syntax. Okay. Now you can choose the fields, which fields you want to see in the output here. Go to here, choose from the base table, material number, material type. Okay. Maybe material group, industry sector. You are able to hear me, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
MATKL, MEANS, copy. First, you should choose all primary key fields here. Okay, client material number. From the second table, choose the primary key fields works because already material number and plant we have taken. Then you can take the remaining fields from both the tables here. Right, MTRT, MBRSS, MATKL, MALS. Okay, next MARC. Right, you can go ABC indicator, MRP type, purchasing group, like that. Copy. Save it now. Package. We check as a homework. What do you do? Create database view on Mara and Marcy tables. While selecting fields, choose four fields from Mara and four fields from Marcy, not in the order of this table of the primary keys. Try this one, okay? Na? You'll get different concept. I think my voice may not be clear to you, right? Is it clear to you, voice?
No, it's clear, sir.
You check the data here, activate this one. Right. Now you can see the data. You're getting warning here. Think what could be the meaning of this one? Hello. What could be the reason of this one? Right, saying that the new view is there, database view is there. That is the warning only. Now you can see the data. What here? Contents. You can see the data now. Both the tables is joined here. Then that data you can also access through SC16. User can access through SC16N also. Take this one. Go to SC16N. Right, execute this now here. You can see the data. Right?
So it is like a join we
Join
use
only.
in SQL,
Not like it is join only.
like we used in SQL language.
Yes. But this is reusable across the programs. Now the same database you can use in ABAP program also. Go and create an ABAP program. Okay. Now you can use for data access. You can also create one internal table here. You can also create one internal table with one data statement. IT underscore mora underscore morse type table of view name here. Now this is to hold more than one record. What the internal table is, we are not yet started. Okay, internal table is to store the data in the runtime of the web program. Right? For example, what the runtime storage is. For example, if I go here, if I try to book a bus, KSRTC. Right. So if I try to book a bus, right, from say Bengaluru to Hyderabad. Bengaluru to Hyderabad. Now the moment you click on search, what will happen? What is the flow?
It will get to the next page where you can see the bus tickets or
Backend
what
flow.
are available or what is not.
Right? What is the backend data flow? The technical point of view, if you think as a developer point of view, control will go to the code. Code will search the database of KSRTC. It brings the data from the database tables. And print in the output. Right? Bangalore to Hyderabad, date, search the buses now. So the moment you click on searches, data will display through the internal table. This is the internal table data. Is it? Database table data will come to internal table data, and then internal table you are displaying in the output.
Okay.
Okay, this is the flow of the entire SAP. All data fetching, not only SAP, right? You search for something in the YouTube, same flow, right? But if you go and search in anything in the YouTube, well, suppose you search something here, okay, ABAP on cloud. Right? What is the backend concept? Same thing. Control, you go to database and it brings all this data. Right? It brings this the flow, right? Okay, this is for to hold the data runtime. How to bring the data? Write a select statement. We have not started this topic yet, okay? Select star from. Just to make you understood the use of the view, I'm explaining this. Into table IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy. Display this one, what you need? To put IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy.
Into WMR.
Right? It's for display purpose here. So we are looping to print all the records. Right? Now to print this one. Right? And say maybe 30 position or 40 position. Work area underscore Mara underscore Marcy. Like that will print. Okay. Why this error is coming?
Because work area is not declared.
So we can declare here. Work area underscore Mara underscore. You can give this for now. So this will become work area now. The difference between work area and internal table?
The work area contains only one record, internal table contains series of records.
If I put a breakpoint here, this is the flow. Execute. Right now control is here. This is the flow, right? This is the program. Select start from view. This is your SAP database view, not a table here. You are bringing the data from here. here. And this you are displaying the output. Now, this is the flow, right? Now where is the control? Line number 10. Okay. So the moment this, if we want to execute this line number 10, what controller should click?
F5.
F5. Okay. Now how many records it got? 4,220 records it got here. Right? Can cross check how many records are there in the view here. The 4,220 records are there. How many times the loop will execute now in the program?
Sir, 1432. 23.
So whatever the number of records are there, that many times it will execute here now. It will print one by one record in the output here. You can see the output here. Right? You can see the data. It is still processing here. Data came already. See here. This is the data. This is the database view. Okay. So similar one, right? You do it. I will give this code reference. You practice this one. The more scenario wise we'll go, it will be more interesting, the training. Right. So what you do is you create one database view. On which tables? you create on VBAK table and VBAP tables. Okay. The common field is VBLN. It's a common field here. Okay, here display 5 fields from VBAK and 5 fields from VBAP. Any point here? Hello? This is one thing, and do one more thing, database view. Create database view. On AKKO and AKPO. Okay. This is AKKO. AVL. Okay. It's a common field. Okay. And here in the database view, right? Create display 5 fields from each table in the view.
Means in both table, four fields are different and VBLN common for both tables, right?
So join condition should be on EBLN. Here BBLN, common field. So
Means it will come in both tables, right?
no, it will allow only one because you are taking the join. No? So you should take from only one table. Any table is fine in the output.
Okay.
Common field. Further, you can explore here. You go to here. You can restrict the data also here. Come back. You can give a condition also here. Suppose you give works, right? MARC works equal to maybe if you give 1000, it gives only plant value equal to 1000. Syntax. So this warning. So 1000 you can should give in the single quotes. Okay, warning execute now. Think of why data is not coming. Data is not coming. Think 1 minute, what could be the reason?
Sir, 1000 plant code may not be.
Correct. And MARC table. You can cross check here. There is no record. That's why you are not getting. Okay. That condition is applying. You can give other condition here. Say 1710. Check syntax. Seven that 7 records are there. You can see here 737. These are the 737 records 1710. Any questions here? Hello? Okay. So this you do this one. Next, I'll go quickly projection view. In the real-time projects, we don't use the database view now. CDS view, we can use it. Projection view also very simple. If you go to here, only one table only you do. You can create. Projection view. You can give projection view. So on one table only, you can shorten the fields here. Projection view. Suppose you give more table here. Right, you can choose here. I think here it is not working. Save it now. Okay, this is some software error on the projection view. Last time also I saw that one. Okay, basically what it will do is it will just you can shorten the fields, not required much anything on this one projection view. There is no logic, there is no join condition, nothing here. Okay.
Sir, only the fields which are required in our runtime program.
So we'll shorten the single table. Only one
Yeah.
table we
Yes.
are going to projection. Projection view order we don't use it. Let me try. If I try one more system, ECC system. Okay, anyway, it's not working. Okay, so I'll go to maintenance view. Okay, now maintenance view we don't use. I mean, SAP backend everything will be maintenance view only. Where it is using the backend, right? I'll show first. All functional consultant, right? All the configuration will be done the backend through the maintenance view only. Suppose I'll create a new company. Go to /n. SPRO. Here, like for us SC38, they do all the configuration part here. Go to here, go to enterprise architecture. Just for you to make you understood this, you don't do as a ABAP developer. Yesterday functions will be doing this one. Definition. Suppose you want to create a new company information in the SAP. You want to define it. Go to define company. New entries. And create a company here. Say suppose Z. Okay. Yes. Right. So state I can go here. Postal code. Right, maybe 56437. Okay. Or you can go same also here. Okay, man. Right, country again. Now is currency IN. Right, save it now. This is going to do the data to backend through the maintenance view only. So how do you know? First I'll save it. Okay, I'll show. Does the transport request. Why it is asking transport request? Because the customizing request, not ABAP work request. This data will go to next system. Get new request. Go new company here. Say backend view only. Maintenance view. How do you know? Press F1 here. Right? Go to technical attributes. Press F1. Okay. You see the view name V underscore T880. Double click here. Do you see what are types of view here? Which type of view this one?
Maintenance.
Maintenance view. Backend SAP created. You can see the table. Which table is this one? T880. Double click here. It goes to table. Okay. What is this one? Company. Main data for the company information here. If you go to content, so you can see what you have created just now. Copy. Execute. See here. This is what I created. All the configuration tasks, right? All the SAP function peoples in the SAP will be doing this type of activity whenever they want to represent the structure. Okay, or they want to create a first company organization structure, company code, plant, all the things will be done backend is a maintenance view only. Anything you want to say here? RAM, because RAM is background of SAP SD.
Yes, sir, correct. Yeah. In maintenance view, yeah, correct, sir.
Entire SAP GUI is built backend for the configuration data is through the maintenance view only. This is one example. I'll show one more. For company code creation also. This is company, right? Company code. What is transaction code for company code? You will create through the transaction code also.
Path we can go, sir.
From here.
Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company.
Company code, where you can see company code.
Define company, then edit company code, edit company code, the third one.
This one, okay.
Yeah, execute.
Here only, okay.
Yes, yes. Copy, delete, check company code. That one.
Choose this and click on choose here.
Sir, I could not get what was the T code for this?
From SPRO, I am going.
SPR. Okay,
Or you
sir.
can also go to directly to the transaction code also.
But generally, if you go to path, that is better.
That path is better. Or you can
Path is always
T code.
to create company.
What is not company? What I showed is the company. Company code, transaction code will be, I think, maybe OX or I don't know exactly. T code.
T code, correct. Edit, sir. Pen with pen symbol.
Oh,
Sure.
OX02.
Right.
Suppose if I go to here,
Path, always prefer path so that you can
Yes.
check other things also, other company code, everything you can check.
Correct.
Plant.
Yes.
And these people, ABAP people, basis people generally they ask whether you want T code access or SAMG access, rather SPRO access, which access you want. So then you take the SPRO access for this creating company code, and then you create the company code. That's how basis team use them.
So Fury app also is there for this
Yeah,
SPRO,
Fury app also there, sir.
for SPRO.
Fury, yes, sir.
Instead of
Yes.
SPRO G code.
Generally, in the backend, we create it and it will reflect into Fury apps via, I think, OData. OData is the link between these things. And for public cloud, the separate Fury app is there for public.
GUI will not be there. Now this is the company code creation. Click on new entries. See, this is the maintenance view. How you do know? Press F1 here. Go to technical attributes. Right, see the view name here. Double click here. This is the maintenance view. See, again go to the table. Which table? Backend table T001. Right. So to this table the data will come. See the table type also. Yeah, I was telling this one sometime back. Initially, customizing table. That's why they have chosen here C, not the earlier cases of A. C for customizing data. This is customization. And maintenance allowed means because you are inserting the data through the transaction code, not through the business transaction code, right? Through SPRO, through that you are inserting the data. For that reason, they made this one as maintenance allowed. So whereas if you go to SC level, Mora table, you don't see that option here. Go to Mora table. Click on display. Go to here option. See here. Only display maintenance already with restrictions. This is application table for that reason. Now you can create quickly one company code here. And back here. You can create one company code quickly. Say suppose C101. Okay. Company code here. City. Right now what will happen? The moment you click on save, the data will go to the T001 table. Save it now. Right? It asks for further information here. Company.
Just give the language, sir. That's enough.
Enough, right?
there is down language is there. No, up.
Right?
No, sir. Language EN. Bring that window to upside. So you can see the language. I think language as a facts. Language is not there. No
You are
problem.
not configured in that way here.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Now press enter.
Yes, sir.
Data will save. This is a very, 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 very interesting flow. The whole SAP flow of the configuration is this only. Now you can see this T001 table. Copy this one. Go to T001 table. Go to S11. T001. Display. Company code. Go to contents. See the data here. Click on execute. See the record data is created here. This is what we created here. Just now. Okay, like this you explore. If you do it right, a lot of doubts or concepts will get more clear. Create your own company code. Even plant also backend is maintenance view only.
So two types of tables. One is maintenance table, or another one is customized table.
Basically, this is the flow based on the types of data.
Yes.
This is the master data. Okay, and this is the transaction data.
Yes, yes. Master data means
Customizing data.
Customizing data. Transaction view.
Right. These two, right? How the data will be inserted into, will get into the tables. So these two is based on the master and the transactional T codes. Example, MM01, VA01, ME23, 21. So through this type of transactional codes, the data will come into these tables directly. Backend is code is written through the module pool in the ABAP. This concept here. Whereas this one customizing data, example is what we have seen here just now. What the transaction code we have done just now? OX02, right? OX02. OX02 is the customizing T code. Not master and business, not transaction codes, customizing T code. This customizing T code, backend code will go through, this is a maintenance view.
Maintenance table and
Maintenance view. From this data will go to the table. This is the table. Finally, this is the flow. Backend is maintenance view. Maintenance view, from maintenance view, data will go to database tables. Here the flow is, they have written the screen programming here. Screen programming using module pool in the GUI. This, because of this program, data will go. Not a view here. Here the view will come into here concept. Clear? No? Okay, now let's stop here.